Hi there everyone, welcome back to the channel. Happy iPhone day to everybody out there. It's that time. It's an unboxing of my iPhone 14 Pro 512 gig in deep purple. Actually this is the Pro Max from Verizon. Let's see what we got. Purchase order. And the phone. Alright, let's open it up. Ooh, beautiful. Nice deep purple. Alright, so let's see if this baby powers up. Oh, looks good so far. Alright, let me go ahead and set up my iPhone. Select English, select United States. So I would need to bring this phone up to my current iPhone, which is an iPhone 12 Pro Max, for a quick start. So let's go ahead and do that. So here's my current iPhone 12 Pro Max. I'm going to set it down, move the box, and place my new iPhone right on top. So we're still waiting for the iPhone to set up. I managed to get my Face ID on there and everything is moving along. Just gotta have a little patience with this. Take the data from my old phone to the new phone and continue waiting. So I had an issue with the data transfer and I had to start all over again, which means I had to erase all the content that was moved over and start from scratch. So we'll see what the issue is and try it all over again. So let's see how it goes. Well, data transfer complete. Looking good. Just waiting for all the apps to update, and looks like everything is in place. I'll do some comparisons as soon as this thing's ready to go. So here it is with the case installed, and the screen protector and the camera protector in all its purple glory. You saw that always on screen, just activate or deactivate. Activate, screen up, Face ID, nice. Everything looking good. First thing you tell from the iPhone 14 Pro Max versus the 12 Pro Max is look at the size of that camera. Wow. Huge compared to the 12. Color's pretty sweet too, isn't it?